This is a product demo of Panasonic boombox RX-DS620. Very clean unit. See the handle. Let's turn it around. The antenna. Works just fine. Again, very clean. To detach the speakers, you press this in and lift up. All right, let's try the tuner. All right, I need to turn that down right away so I don't get a copyright strike. Let me try the AM band. And there's a baseball game on. All right, let's try the tape. As you can see, the graphic equalizer works well. There's no static. Even with the volume very low, there's a lot more to go. There's no static when increasing the volume. To fast forward, you do not have to hit stop. It functions really well. As you can see, there's a lot of different controls. All right, now let's try the CD. I'm going to be very careful when playing this so I don't get a copyright strike. So let's hit play. And then we'll go to another track. You can just jump to any track you want. All right, like I said, I don't want to play a lot of that so I don't get copyright strikes. Very clean unit. Everything works flawless. Thanks for looking.